My name's Cully, and I saved Jim from the landfill. He just picked this thing up and tried to shove it in the car. He tried to make it fit. This is the power tower that I got off someone. 7-foot bodybuilder like Arnold. He just picked this thing up and tried to shove it in the car. He tried to make it fit. I actually had to catch it. He would have cracked the windshield, and I was like, ugh. And then he almost cracked the back window. He did scratch the tent. And then he went to like jam it down into the passenger side at the floor, but there's like wires. There's some like computer bit that's sitting there, and he missed it by this much. And that's what it cost me to get this. Just sanded it with sandpaper because it's Sunday, I don't want to use power tools. I've degreased it with a different degreaser. I've run out of my Too Easy degreasers. This is called Bonza. It's a more of an environmentally friendly degreaser, but still very strong. Not super strength, but strong. So it's got off all the human sweat and dirt and grime. Then I put the rust converter on, and it rust converted. And then I just washed it down with a hose. I'm going to tack cloth it. And then I have to prime the bits that have rusted and gone down to the steel. This bad boy on it. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good. So you've got two of these big long pieces. This is the small bar that goes at the bottom. Inside the shed is the pull-up bar, which I have to refurb that too. Not until all this stuff gets out of my way. And smooth. Oh, big day. I actually just got the really good deal online. The car is struggling. It's 6 minutes away from the garage, so I've got to go now. Probably bring gloves and money. And go get the car keys.